Morning to you. Guys, help me to reach my quota, guys. Manifesting. Maulan ang panahon. Guys, help me to reach my quota, please. This is the last day na. I think I cannot reach my quota today. But it's okay, but it's okay. Good morning, Ongchin! How are you? Long time no see. I miss you so much. How are you? Alexander, good morning. Sa Austin, Texas, US. Okay, I'm good. Nice to hear that. Okay, Rambo. Nice to meet you. Hello. Ongkin, help me to reach my quota. Please. You know, Ongkin, this is the last day. You know that. Help me. Don't laugh, please. Please. Kahit ano lang ang chino, Toki. Word of Toki. Hi, Jess. Giselle, good morning. Rambo, help me to reach my quota, Ram, please. Let's try Bubble Dragon. Gaano kalayo po sila? Hi, hi. Yes. Yes, Ongchin. I will. Yes, I will. Help me. Help me to reach my quota, 21K. Huh? What do you mean 21K? Rambo, what do you mean 21K? Hi, Jessie. Oh my God! Oh, you win! But worth of 500. Ilan pa kailangan mo? Kailangan ko para ano, para makakota, Rambo. Help me naman, oh. You win not me. Yes, I'm win. Ano, for, for, 26 Rambo, 26 Rambo to, to 60K. Oh, naman. You help me, Rambo, to reach my quota today. Uy, gusto kong makabili ng phone. Guys, my phone is broken, guys. Help me to buy. Yes, impossible. Yes, 26 to 60K. But for 8 to 40K. This one, for 8 to 40K. Not impossible, Rambo. I'm just telling the truth. Okay. Let's try another one. Oh my God. Wait. Go to sleep na lang. Gago ka talaga, Rambo. Ala, oh my God. 6.6 kilo. No! Why only 500? Thank you. Wait lang. How much na lang? 3.8 na lang, guys. Oh my God, Donkin. How much? How much is that? 3.8! 3.8 na lang, Donkin. Go. Oh, yes. 3.8. Oh my God. Guys, selfie guys. Support me guys. CG Chan, hello. Good morning. Why are you sad, Ong Chin? I know you did. Please. Why only 500 you win Bubble Dragon? Yes, I know. I know, Ong Chin. I will message you later. My hands is, have bubble. I know that have the bubble. You know what? I'm in Bubble Dragon. That's why my hands is have bubble. Ano daw? Hello, Eve. That's why you win the Bubble Dragon. See, you have many support. You just keep playing harder.